द वे इट इज़. और अगर लोग जज भी करेंगे तो रूबिया को जज करेंगे, हिना को जज नहीं करेंगे. एज फार एज आई पिकिंग अप अ कैरेक्टर इज कंसर्न, आई एम एन एक्टर, आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट. जब आप छोटे होते हो कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी होती है, पर विथ टाइम यू गैदर अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस. सो आई वुड से कुछ बदला नहीं है. बदलाव अगर आया है तो वो ये है कि तब शायद आप उतने कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होते हो, नए होते हो इंडस्ट्री में. हमेशा ऐसे दिस इंस्पिरेशनल लेडी हूँ और जो हमेशा 100% कॉन्फिडेंस में हर कोई चीज़ करती है. नो नो, आई हैव वर्स्ट टू वर्स्ट डेज, आई हैव बैड डेज. बीइंग एन इन्फ्लुएंसर इज नॉट ईजी. इट्स नॉट ईजी. हर टाइम आपके ऊपर कैमरा यार, इट्स नॉट ईजी. पता है, इट्स नॉट एवरीवन्स, नॉट माइन, ट्रस्ट मी, आई कांट डू इट.
Hello everyone, this is Aina and welcome to Instant Bollywood. This is the first time जब हम हिना खान से बात करने वाले हैं and we are very excited to do this. So joining me in a conversation is someone who is extremely talented, super confident, empowering, is Hina Khan. So nice to have you.
Thank you so much. What is your name?
Aina.
Aina.
Yeah.
What a pretty name, yaar.
Thank you. Thank
Aina.
you so much. Yeah.
I've never heard this name before.
Really?
Really. Someone's name is Aina. What a pretty name.
It's actually an Urdu word and it's derived
it's mirror.
from,
Yeah, I know. Of course. Of course, no. रूबिया से पूछ रही हैं आप आईने का क्या मतलब है? Of course, I know what Aina is. But what a pretty name.
Thank you so much. Means a lot. I have to start off by asking कि ट्रेलर में आप बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत दिख रही है and it's very exciting to also see you in this avatar which is so different and that is what Hina Khan is known for. How do you always get yourself out of a comfort zone when you're finally getting comfortable and get yourself out? Is there any sort of hesitation before doing such kind of roles and taking up these challenges?
I believe change is the only constant.
Yeah.
And you have to keep changing and keep kind of trying new things. You have to keep doing it. If you don't do it, you will not survive. You know, if you'll follow that monotony in your life and if you'll keep doing those monotonous things कि ये मेरा comfort zone है, मैं इसी तरह के characters करना चाहती हूँ, मैं इसी तरह के roles करना चाहती हूँ, तो एक point के बाद आप survive नहीं करेंगे. So I believe आपके अंदर वो change, अपने अंदर वो चेंज लाना हर बार हर कैरेक्टर प्ले करने में वो बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो आई वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड व्हेन दिस कैरेक्टर वॉज नरेटेड टू मी. कैरेक्टर रूबिया विच आई एम प्लेइंग इन दिस सीरीज कॉल्ड नामाकूल विच इज़ फ्री ऑन Amazon Mini TV. सो आई वॉज very very excited क्योंकि again this is new for me, like playing a Muslim girl who's got this lehja, who speaks in Urdu, who's got this nazakat and all of that. I really enjoyed it and ये मेरे लिए भी एक test था that how am I going to do it, how well received it'll be. And luckily people have really enjoyed it and people have really admired my performance and especially the Urdu. तो मैं बहुत excited हूँ अभी. If something comes my way, a full-fledged character where I have to speak in Urdu, where there's a lot of tehzeeb, nazakat involved, I would love to do it.
You know, but लोगों ने अभी तक आपको एक गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर स्वीट विलिनी रोल में देखा है. But there is something sensual also about this character, which is very new we see in Hina Khan as well. क्योंकि हमने आपको इस लाइट में नहीं देखा है. Was there any sort of hesitation कि ऑडियंस मुझे कैसे इसमें एक्सेप्ट करेगी?
I don't know. I mean, when I was shooting for this series, there wasn't even a bit of a hesitation because I knew कि I'm playing a character which is a fictitious character and it has nothing to do with Hina. And this character is the way it is. और अगर लोग जज भी करेंगे तो रूबिया को जज करेंगे, हिना को जज नहीं करेंगे. एज फार एज आई पिकिंग अप अ कैरेक्टर इज कंसर्न, आई एम एन एक्टर, आई एम एन आर्टिस्ट. आई नो आई एम प्लेइंग अ फिक्शनल कैरेक्टर और उस कैरेक्टर की एक सर्टन डिमांड है जहाँ पर ऐसा लगता है लोगों को कि रूबिया इज़ एक्सट्रीमली सेंशुअल एंड ऑल दैट. शी इज़, बट शी नोज वेयर टू स्टॉप. You know, she will only lure you or probably bring you close to her बातों से, नज़ाकत से. But she'll not let you cross the line. She will not. You will see when you see the entire show, you'll know. She is not letting anyone cross the line and she gets her job
Done.
So she's beauty with brains.
Yeah.
She knows where she wants to go in life, what she wants, what's her goal, and she's working towards it.
Yeah.
So that ways I was not hesitant at all, and I am very, very happy that it's well received and people have really liked Rubia, especially her persona and the way she's appeared on screen, her looks, her saris, you know, her get up. So I'm happy because as Hina, I put in a lot of effort in Rubia when it comes to dressing her up
Yeah.
and her appearance in the show. I have really put in a lot of effort. So yeah, it's nice when your work is appreciated.
There's a lot of fashion element also in Rubia, जैसे हमने ट्रेलर में भी देखा है, the saris, and right now it's trending ever since Alia also wore it,
Yes.
Rocky and Rani,
Yes.
and obviously Sushmita Sen being the icon. Was it inspired by two, and there are going to be comparisons even for that? How are you going to
No,
take
no,
that?
absolutely. Yeah, inspiration has been taken. I mean, people will draw comparisons. Forget about that. I am saying it. There was a certain inspiration taken, and why not? If someone has done a good job and someone has, be it a designer in a film, so if you can take a little inspiration from it, why not? What's the harm in it?
जब आपने करियर की शुरुआत की थी, हम हमेशा ये इंडस्ट्री में अगर आते वील थिंक कि हम ये करेंगे और ये हम कभी ज़िंदगी में नहीं करेंगे. Has that evolved over time where you said
Absolutely.
no's and now you're like, maybe I was very young, but now I'm okay doing something that I was not comfortable on doing?
I
on
am,
stage?
as an actor, I have always been very okay doing things, whatever comes my way as an actor, and I don't think I'll have problems in future as well. I am very open to different subjects and different genres, and I am waiting, you know, to explore out there and perform different kind of roles. I always look forward to it.
What was basically a no for you before, which is now a yes?
Nothing.
अगर कोई चीज़ आपको लगी हो कि आपने कभी
You gain a
सोचा
lot
नहीं
of
था.
confidence. It's just that पहले जब आप छोटे होते हो confidence की कमी होती है.
Yeah.
But with time you gather a lot of confidence. So I would say कुछ बदला नहीं है. बदलाव अगर आया है तो वो ये है कि तब शायद आप उतने confident नहीं होते हो, नए होते हो इंडस्ट्री में. And with time you gain a lot of confidence कि no, I think now I can do it. तब आपकी ना नहीं होती है, lack of confidence होता है.
जी.
अब आपकी हाँ इसलिए है क्योंकि आज कॉन्फिडेंस है एंड इट अप्लाइज टू एवरीथिंग इन लाइफ. आप ना इसलिए नहीं बोलते हैं क्योंकि आप वो कर नहीं सकते हैं. आप ना इसलिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि यू लैक इन कॉन्फिडेंस. एंड विद पासिंग ईयर्स, प्रॉब्ली आफ्टर अ कपल ऑफ ईयर्स, वो उसी चीज़ को आप हाँ बोलते हैं.
I think success also has a lot to do with that confidence.
Success also has a lot to do with it. Yes, but then you know, as a person also you grow. मैं आज जब मैं 25 साल की थी या 29 थी, I wasn't the way I am right now.
Yeah.
I'm different. My perspective, my lifestyle, my thought process, my views are completely different.
In what way, if you could?
Everything. I think मैं एक अलग तरीके से अभी मेरी ज़िंदगी में ठहराव आया है, पेशेंस आया है बहुत बड़ा, स्पेशली आफ्टर माई फादर. तो आई थिंक इन लाइफ बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट्स के बाद आपके अंदर बदलाव आता है. वो आप सीखते नहीं है, वो आपको लाइफ
सिखाता है, बिल्कुल. But Hina, you've always been that woman who will not, you know, fear giving her opinion out. जो दिल पे है वो आपकी ज़बान पे है, and confidently. But you know, sometimes people take that as intimidation, as arrogance. आपने वो लेबल कैसे अपनाया है that हाँ ऐसा है तो है? You've still not hesitated because people can take that wrong as well.
Some people do. Some people take it as inspiration. I'd like to focus on people who take it as inspiration.
Yeah.
Why do I care about people who will still troll me no matter what I say? I'd like to focus on people who look up to me and take inspiration from me. So it really doesn't matter. मुझे जो सही लगता है, I'll say that. और ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं सही हूँ, but I'll still say it.
Right.
Because I feel that at that particular moment. सही गलत बाद में देखी जाएगी. But आप कितना भी सही क्यों ना बोल लो, people who have to judge you will judge you. People who have to troll you will troll you. and people who want to get inspired will you know, अभी मैंने recently एक quote पढ़ा था कहीं पे, I just can't recall. What a beautiful quote it was. I don't remember that. I have written it somewhere, but I don't have it. I can't really recall that quote right now. What a beautiful quote it was. It was related to this only. जिसको positive देखना है वो positive देखेगा, जिसको negative देखना है वो negative देखेगा.
बिल्कुल.
So yeah, that's
It's
how
like
it
seeing
is.
the half glass full या empty.
Yeah.
But you know, आपका एक रील है जो आज तक, बहुत पुराना रील है जो आज तक वायरल जा रहा है, जहाँ पे you win an award और आप एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में कहते हो कि I've won as a best actress antagonist. I'm going to come back as a best actress again for the protagonist role.
उसके लिए मुझे टेलीविजन करना पड़ेगा. I'll have to go back to television, or probably I'll have to win an award for my show, which is going to come up, and this is again negative. So yeah, I have to do a positive character, which I've done in the past. So let's hope that I get awarded for that. So I think तब जाके जो मैंने कहा है वो सही मायने में पूरा होगा. तो
बिल्कुल. I'm sure a lot of bigger things have happened after that. So
no, I think I did get award for Lines. Yeah, Lines mein I was extremely positive. I won UKasian Film Festival. In UKasian Film Festival, I won an award as Best Actress for Lines. So Lines में तो मैंने all positive थी मैं as Nazia. नहीं, I've done it यार. क्या है? मुझे खुद ही नहीं पता. No, I have done it.
But where does that confidence exactly stem from? Especially जब आप successful हो जाते हो, आपको बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है, it becomes even more shaky कि आप उसको maintain कैसे करोगे. But Hina Khan has always been this person who knows कि सही होगा, मैं सही तरीके से करूँगी.
नहीं,
At least that's what you portray.
No. Probably it comes across like that. No, I have my bad days. I have days where I'm extremely nervous. I have days where I just don't know what to do. I'm human just like any one of you guys. It's not कि मैं हमेशा ऐसे this inspirational lady हूँ और जो हमेशा 100% confidence में हर कोई चीज़ करती है. No. I have worst to worst days. I have bad days. I get anxiety.
Yeah.
All of that happens to me. But then the best part is about a person is not just about me or anyone else, is how you gather that courage. You know, you muster that courage and you come back stronger. तो मेरे लिए वो ज़्यादा important है. And of course, as I said कि you have to accept change in your life. See, for example, if I talk about this character, Rubia, I am playing Rubia in this, but it's not a full-fledged character in this series. Like I'm playing, probably you can say it's a guest appearance where I am like I had like a 10-12 day shoot with them, but it's a college drama, right?
Right.
But I somehow knew it'll click. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I was ready for that change where this was my first time where probably I won't call it a guest appearance, but it's not a very long and large role, you know what I mean? So I'm seen in this entire series in bits and pieces, but I was okay with it because I was ready to accept that change and ready to accept that I have full confidence and full faith in the character I'm playing.
Right.
And here you go.
Looking forward to see what
Thank
you
you.
have in store. Also, you know, you've said this couple of times in interviews that you enjoy and also you like having a wall, a certain wall, a guard around
me.
you. वो कहीं ना कहीं एक space से आता है where you don't want to be hurt or you don't want people to take you for granted. Is this a deep down protectiveness?
No. It's not that कि I don't hurt तो no ways. No, I'm very guarded that ways. People can't hurt me that easily. I don't let people come in that easily. No, it's not that I am worried about getting hurt. What was the next thing you said?
Just protecting yourself in a way कि लोग आपको for granted ना ले, क्योंकि वो हो जाता है.
For granted? नहीं, for granted भी नहीं है. For granted मुझे नहीं लेगा कोई. नहीं. I don't think that will happen. But I think I am like that as a person. I have this thing in me that I observe people first, and they have to be good at what they do. It's as simple as that for me. मेरे लिए bottom line is how good you are at your work.
Right.
If you are efficient, I will fall in love with you. Like मैं आपके लिए बिच जाऊंगी, आपको सामने से गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड नाइट, आपके लिए सब कुछ करूंगी because I know you're good at it, at your thing. Sometimes, of course, I know there are people who are new on sets, who are learning. I will support them. But I will support them. I will give them chances twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. But if they still repeat the same mistake, then they are going to get it from
Get
me.
it from you. Yeah. So you need efficient people around you.
I am the biggest put off for me in life is inefficiency. Yeah.
You know, because Cannes is going on in news right now, how much do you miss it, and do you kind of feel like the kind of work that goes, and now that Hina Khan, from a television actress to OTT to doing shows to walking on Cannes, has become this brand, and now after that incident or that entire event and the amount of work you've done, the lens of the way people also look at you has changed, and automatically their attitude also changes.
पता नहीं, I feel yeah, थोड़ा फर्क तो पड़ा है, मैं मानती हूँ. I mean, a lot of things changed after Cannes. Also about my journey, I mean, whatever I've done post that, people have seen me in a different light. Yeah, I mean, the approach has changed a bit towards me. Like, I still get compliments for my debut walk, but it's just that I don't know why people have a certain image of this Cannes red carpet in their mind. कि नहीं बाबा, एक बहुत ही beautiful और एक larger than life gown ही पहनना है लोगों को. I see these beautiful women wearing beautiful saris on the Cannes red carpet, representing India, representing their films, and looking so gracious, looking so graceful. So मुझे ये concept समझ में नहीं आता है कि आपको एक actor को या फिर जो इंडिया को represent कर रहा है Cannes Film Festival में, especially women, they are really judged a lot कि oh my god, her dress is not nice, she's not wearing this perfect red carpet gown and all of that. Let people be, yaar. They're there because they have worked hard for it.
Absolutely.
Be it a simple influencer, yaar. They have worked day in, day out. Being an influencer is not easy.
It's not.
It's not easy. हर time आपके ऊपर camera, यार. It's not easy, पता है? It's not everyone's, not mine. Trust me, I can't do it. It's not my cup of tea. इतना effort वो करते हैं, हर time content बनाते हैं, तो वो अपनी मेहनत से वहाँ पे है. So I feel there's too much of judgment everywhere.
Everywhere.
जो नहीं होना चाहिए.
But lastly, before I leave, coming to that question is, have you seen people be unnecessarily mean to you, rude to you, and eventually just because आप grow हुए हो life में, they've suddenly those same people have changed. Yeah. How do you now deal with them?
Nothing. Trust me. They come to me and say sorry. A hand on my heart, I am not exaggerating. They come to me and they say sorry.
And how do you behave like it's okay?
Nothing has happened. Yeah. Nothing, all normal. Nothing changes for me. चाहे उन्होंने वो बात कही हो या किसी तरह का मेरे साथ reaction दिया हो, nothing has changed. I still give them the due respect and I speak to them nicely, and I think that works. When you still give them that respect, that kind of changes something in them.
Yeah.
कि नहीं यार, हमने गलत करा.
बिल्कुल.
So a lot of them have come to me and said sorry.
But at that point, it must have motivated you a lot to show it to them, or probably, no?
Who cares?
I love that.
Nobody cares. I want to focus on my work.
Yeah.
You said it, you want to apologize. I accept it.
Yeah, but you need to move on.
You need to move on, and I will always be kind to you.
Awesome. Thank you so much for speaking with us. I know you've had a hectic day, but thank you so much for giving your time.
Thanks a lot.
And we'll see you super soon.
Hi, this is Hina Khan. You're watching me on Instant Bollywood. Please like, share, and subscribe.